Many of our clients have a problem with rusted in nuts and bolts where they can't use acetylene torches. Our product Freeze Off will help this problem. Allow me to show you. Here we have a common problem faced every day in every workshop. A rusted in nut and bolt that physically cannot be moved. Apply Freeze Off as such and allow for 20 to 30 seconds, and in those 20 to 30 seconds it will work in three ways. Firstly, it will contract the metal down to a minus temperature. This will allow the fine oil to penetrate the actual area to allow lubrication to remove the nut, and the spray will attack the rust, making it weaker. The product has a nickname called the rust cracker. The first movement you make is a tighten movement, followed by a release action, and off she comes, saving time and personal injury. The rust cracker Freeze Off from TTP.